My name is Shaaanelle with 3A's here on YouTube, one A in real life, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another hair update. So today, well not today, because I waited an extra weekend before I did my hair, but this month we are 4 years and 9 months post relaxer. We have 3 more months to go, so February, March, April, and May, and in May will be 5 months post relaxer, 5 years post relaxer, 5 years natural. So we're just gonna do a quick little hair update today. All right, so my measuring tape is broken at the 1/2 inch mark. I don't know how that happened. So yeah, at any rate, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna measure my hair. This is gonna be a really quick hair update. So we're just gonna do a quick measurement from the middle to the bottom. I'm still pulling hair. We're gonna do about right there. All right, we're at 18.5 inches. I feel like we've been at 18.5 inches before, but I don't know. But that's 18.5, and then taking a section from the front and measuring out. Technically it's 17 because my measuring tape is broken. So it was 17 inches in the back, 13.5, 14. So 13.5 in the front. And then from the middle, we used to be at 10, I feel like, in the front and in the middle. So, and in the middle we're at 12, so 11.5. So we are making, you know, some progress in the front and in the middle, and then overall in general. I don't remember quite what my last measurements were, but if you guys want to see what my last measurements were, just go watch my last hair update video. But like I said, this is going to be a really quick little hair update. I don't have anything to add for this one, only because in the next one, when I'm 5 years, I'm going to do like a whole little recap of where we started and how we got here. So I didn't do anything special for these past, since like my last hair update and this one. I haven't done anything special to my hair. I haven't used anything different. Pretty much like all the same products and stuff, and then all the same styling techniques. So either like braiding my hair or blow drying it and putting it in a ponytail for a week, or just wearing it natural in a low puff for the week. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I do have some clips of me actually washing my hair this go around and blow drying it, straightening and trimming it, and all the products that I use. So I hope that you guys enjoy that portion of the video, and I'll see you guys at the end.
Persian rose, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up, or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh. drought and famine, natural disasters. My baby has been I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been mobbing on the low. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest thing from perfect, like everyone I know. I just been mobbing on the low. I just been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, fucking on the low, smoking on the low.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss a fight. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. It's that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you nodding off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. We don't stutter till I die. Fuck it, I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face, sending action. These days no kumbaya, niggas be past tense. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Spinning pretty middle, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Just do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. And I'm stunned till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be.
that is the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you found some of the new products that I've been using helpful, specifically new products that I've been using as far as straightening my hair goes. But I actually really did like the Taraji P Henson shampoo and conditioner, as well as her leave-in conditioner. I've liked her products a lot so far, so go check those out if you haven't already tried them. I think that they're really great. But yeah, that's the end of this video. So I will see you guys in the next hair update or in the next video, which is going to be like a vlog or something. I don't know. I'll see you guys in the next one.